What is this you are cooking?
This one na sharp soup.
Which kind of soup?
We dey call am for our language nshishirimala.
Eh?
Nshishirimala.
Which one is a shishema?
That time if we go farm, no soup for house, we go bring ogiri. Kwe maka a na-akpọ ogiri. Ndị afọ ọmụ ya ihe m na-akọ ya nwunye nwoke nyere m ogiri o shiri wee baa anyị weta ya. So nsị ka m ji eluo nshishirimala na ọ teele. Mgbe ahụ anyị nọ village na anyị ala ọrụ bata like this ogiri nọ ha ala.
English we gonna quit. Local champion. Don't even know why I'm married you. Very local girl. Look at what you are eating. Eh?
Come and join me.
Is this one soup or soup? Eh?
Come and join me o. Ndị be anyị ma ihe o. Don't take well.
Which kind of village girl I go marry by you? I tell my mother say this girl wey you wan marry for me. You sure say she know what's up?
People wey know village well, wey grow for village well, dey understand wetin I dey eat. Even some people wey dey United Kingdom, Canada, they want to test this thing that you see.
Sisima.
Nshishirimala. You crayfish, pepper with your ogiri, you are good to go. Oh, thank God though. And this ogiri na original ogiri, no be Lagos ogiri o.
This kind village woman be this. Eh? This kind
No be Lagos ogiri.
Sisima.
Na